Located directly on the sands of beautiful Coron Beach, the Centara Grand Beach Resort Phuket is one of Phuket's most impressive luxury beachfront resorts. Designed with a blend of classic Sino-Portuguese architecture and modern tropical luxury, this five-star resort offers stunning Andaman Sea views, massive swimming pools, and one of the best beachfront locations anywhere on Phuket. The resort is located on the southwest coast of Phuket in the Coron Beach area, one of the island's most popular tourist destinations. Unlike many Phuket hotels that sits across the road from the beach, Centura Grand Beach Resort Phuket has direct beach access, allowing guests to walk straight from the resort onto the white sands of Coron Beach. The property is approximately 45 kilometers from Phuket International Airport, with travel times averaging around 60 to 75 minutes depending on traffic. Centura Grand Beach Resort Phuket features 262 rooms, suites, and private villas. Many accommodations include private balconies or terraces with breathtaking ocean views, pool access, and even private plunge pools. The resort is especially popular with families thanks to its large water park area featuring lazy rivers, waterfalls, landslides, and multiple swimming pools surrounded by tropical landscaping. Guests staying at the resort can enjoy several restaurants and bars and a luxury spa, a fitness center, kids club, and beachfront dining experiences overlooking the beautiful Andaman Sea. The resort combines relaxation and entertainment perfectly, making it popular with couples, honeymooners, and families visiting Phuket. Phuket itself enjoys warm tropical temperatures year round, with average daytime highs typically ranging between 29 and 33 degrees Celsius. The best time to visit Phuket is usually from November through April. When the weather conditions are sunnier, humidity is lower, and the sea conditions are calmer for swimming, snorkeling, and island tours. The rainy season generally runs between May and October, bringing tropical downpours and occasional thunderstorms, although many visitors still enjoy Phuket during the quieter, greener season. One of the biggest advantages of staying at the Centara Grand Beach Resort Phuket is the location close to many of Phuket's top attractions. Nearby attractions include Kata Beach, Patang Beach, Big Buddha Phuket, local temples, Phuket Old Town, and the famous nightlife of Bangla Road in Patong. Guests can also easily arrange tours to PP Islands, James Bond Island, Coral Island, and other popular destinations around the Andaman Sea. What truly makes this resort stand out is the combination of direct beachfront luxury and family-friendly entertainment. Waking up to the ocean views, relaxing beside the tropical pools, enjoying sunsets on Coron Beach, and having easy access to Phuket's major attractions creates a complete island vacation experience. For travelers searching for luxury, beachfront access, family fun, and one of Phuket's best resort locations, Centura Grand Beach Resort Phuket remains one of the island's top vacation destinations. Obviously, a beautiful place. But let's look at some of the numbers. All this information comes from Agoda.com, and I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description. This resort has an 8.3 out of 10 rating on Agoda, and that's with 3,465 reviews. A little bit low in my opinion. I like to see 8.5 or higher, but 8.3 is reasonable. But only 3,465 reviews. Something to think about in my opinion. But let's look at the price. Now this is looking ahead 1 month from today, the day I recorded this, which puts it in the rainy season, the low season. The starting price is 5,900 Thai baht per night, or 180 US dollars. Of course, that is the cheapest room available and before tax. Not the cheapest place, not the cheapest five-star place on the island, but a reasonable price. But you have to remember, this is the low season. Looking through the comments people are leaving in the reviews, most people are praising the beach access. It is a beautiful beach, of course. And the pools, which is awesome for kids. I guess having the water park there, if you're traveling with family, would be a very nice bonus. That is for sure. All right, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And like I said, I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can check it out, get more information, and check out the prices on your dates. Of course, hotel prices change at a moment's notice.